Insane riding there, huh? But nothing like Arkansas, where my front wheel was just lifting up because of the wind. It was insane. This was crazy because the angle at which it was blowing.
You can see you went sideways on the right.
You saw some places the windsock was there, it's like horizontal.
Yeah.
That means it's blowing over 35 knots, 35 knots, gusting around 42, 43 like this knots.
Does it feel slick?
It is, the rear wheel is playing like that, but the front wheel is sticking, so it's okay.
The seaweed's up and underneath the windscreen, trying to avoid the wind.
Not this way, it's this way,
Yeah.
sideways.
Very hard to keep the balance.
Still on the motorcycle, haven't I?